If you want to understand politics in Haiti, you must first understand the core group. Most outsiders have never heard of this group, but the average Haitian is keenly aware that these foreign actors heavily shape Haitian affairs. They oversee and control Haitian politics. This is one of the open secrets of Haitian politics. The core group is an informal organization made up of ambassadors from nations like the United States, France, Canada, Spain, and international organizations like the OAS. Now, they exist in order to provide Haiti with advice and counsel on how to overcome challenges and how to promote democracy in the nation. Here's the problem. The core group has more power in Haiti than the Haitian Constitution, and they have more power than the Haitian people, than the popular vote. And the members of the core group, they know this, and they wield that power accordingly. If you don't know Daniel Foote, look him up. He's a U.S. diplomat and former member of the core group, but he quit. He accused the core group of undemocratically meddling in Haitian affairs and hand-selecting Haiti's future presidents. He says that the U.S. and the core group, they treat Haiti like a puppet state. There are countless examples of this puppeteering. Just check out the analysis written by the well-known, well-respected journalist Jonathan Katz. And this is not to downplay or overlook the true corruption and weak leadership displayed by Haitian leaders within our political system. Yes, time and time again, our leaders have failed us, but at the same time, Haiti should be led by Haitians, not by the outside world. What frustrates a lot of Haitians is that the core group is unelected, unaccountable, and all-powerful in Haiti. This is a form of imperialism that needs to be expelled so that Haitians can determine their own future.